Yeah, man! Welcome to the Frick Cast and to the Grizzly Naturals Soap Guides. Today, we're taking a hike through the Icy Pines. This is a Christmas limited offered by Grizzly Naturals. It is a frozen scent, as calm as a snow-covered forest. But will this bar have us seeking refuge from the shower? Well, let's get into this frost-bitten brick. We'll begin with the unique ingredients. Today we're mainly looking at the essential oils. These are going to provide much of the scent, but also have some additional benefits. Today's blend is fir, peppermint, pine, frankincense, and orange. These are going to provide some antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that relieve and soothe irritated skin, as well as slow signs of aging and protect skin. Peppermint also contains menthol for that added cooling effect. Overall, this looks to be a chill bar both in practice and in scent. And speaking of the scent, it's definitely a minty pine smell. It's peppermint meets some woodsiness. It's a decent scent. You'll probably not mind it if this scent is your type of thing. However, I think there's a lot better mint scents and pine scents out there. It's kinda got a car freshener vibe to it. Still though, it's a light to medium potency scent that is fresh and clean, and sometimes that's all you need. As for using this bar, it's again fresh and clean, but nothing spectacular. It is a zero grit, so a smooth bar. The peppermint and menthol do provide a little bit of chill, but not as much as I would personally like. Although there is a slight cooling sensation, much more mild than something like the Frosty's Mint Mocha, which some may prefer as menthol isn't for everyone. And honestly, I think this is best suited for people with sensitive skin. There's no grit, just a slight amount of menthol and ingredients to help relieve skin. As for my thoughts, I don't mind the Icy Pines. I typically do like these types of bars and scents, and while this one isn't one of my favorites, it is solid. The scent is a fresh, clean, mint pine one, like a snow-covered winter forest. It's straightforward, as is the bar itself. A zero grit with a little chill, and not much else to say. That's only my opinion though, and I'd love to hear yours in the comments. What do you think of the Icy Pines? Are you willing to take a hike with this bar? Let me know if you get your hands on this frosted brick, or any other Christmas boy. As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.
Yeah, man!